All right, guys, so we're looking at the family plot compost pile over here, and we have constructed it correctly in that there are two vessels so that we can rotate back and forth. The rotations due to the influx from garden residue here has gotten a little bit screwed up. So some of this fresh stuff should be over here. Well, you get the good cooked down stuff on the bottom on that side. Another thing, the little microbes, our friends in the soil, there are about 7 billion of them in a cup of good healthy soil, like a lot of edge in what they're chewing on. They'll break it down faster, so it might help to knock some of these big pieces down just a little bit, make smaller particles so that they can get at it a little bit faster. And it's obvious that this could use a little bit more engagement as there are trees growing out of it. So turning it and attending to it will give you a better product. Other than that, if you wanted to boost it, I tell people all the time that coffee grounds are great because they're basically all edge and they'll get your critters going good and fast.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.